Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Well, I'm back with another video. As you can see, this is a new hairstyle, very simple. This is like a very casual look that you can opt for if you're maybe in a rush. It's an easy hairstyle that you can style within just a few minutes. It's very easy for work, for leisure. If you have maybe a party, it's very simple. Well, if you think I did an amazing job, just give this video a thumbs up, like and comment, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Don't forget to like this video because you can always do this anytime. Well, I just comb my hair very well using a small comb. As you see, I just slick it down to make a high puff because I'm going to tie it very secure. Make sure the puff is a little bit tight enough so that the style can come out very well. So I just tie and divide the top part into two. Then I roll the other section of the part that I divided, roll it down just on the opposite direction and also pin it down. I pin down using a bobby pin. I secure it like with two bobby pins, as you see. So that is very secure. Then I also work on the other section that I divided. I just roll it down like that and also pin it down. I make sure it is very safe and secure. I pin down using two bobby pins. It should be secure enough. Just like you see, I'm trying to make sure everything is right, everything is very secure so that it doesn't roll out. Just like that. Then the front section that I divided earlier on, I divided it into three parts, I just picked that other section and rolled in the middle, then tuck it behind. You realize when you just roll it, the design just comes automatically. I tuck it just very secure like that. Then I also work on the other part, still rolled in the middle part of the hair, then tuck it behind, just like that. Don't mind, I will be able to pin it down later. I do the same for that other part, still roll the middle part and also tuck it behind. Then I'll secure with my bobby pins later on. You realize it's becoming very easy to just roll and tuck. So I secure with a bobby pin. I put the several bobby pins to make sure the design really comes out so sleek and very nice. So I made sure everything is right. I get another bobby pin as well. Then I'm going to secure that other part so that the design is really very sleek. So I got my bobby pin, then I slick it down, then I pin it down just like that. It's very secure. I make sure it doesn't still roll out, and that is the design. If you really think I really did an amazing job, just give this video a thumbs up. And that's the back view. The back view is really so beautiful, and then the front view is just like a princess-like look. If you really like this hairstyle, just give me a thumbs up, and also leave me with a comment, share with your friends, and if you want more of these kinds of videos, I'll be able to give you more videos, more amazing videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy.